Hi everyone and welcome back to today's More Report. Chart appraisals on Thursday the 21st of July with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. We're going to look at cable now. Sorry, I should have been on that. Anyway, we're going to look at cable. And we had a bit of a rebound yesterday on the back of sort of comments from Kristin Forbes on the Bank of England that it was sort of more into wait and see mode. She is a bit of a hawk on the committee anyway, or bordering on hawk, and these comments were taken as fairly hawkish, that the Bank of England needs to see more data, more reason to cut interest rates, and there are sort of pros and cons for doing such thing anyway, impacting the economy. So that was taken as a bit of a hawkish move that gave sterling a bit of a lift. It sort of started to stall a bit today, and actually now we're trading lower on the day because we've just had out the retail sales data, and retail sales in the UK missed estimates quite strongly actually, minus 0.9% on the month, down to plus 3.9 on the year, which was plus 4.8 was the expectation. Is Brexit now having an impact on the UK retail sales already? There was not a huge amount of time for the Brexit decision to impact on the data last month, but still it seems as though there's been a sort of drop in that data, and that would certainly be a read through for Brexit. And now we're starting to see the downside move. Initially sterling was sort of initially reacted a bit lower, but it's now beginning to really push lower, and it certainly looks as though, let me just quickly show you the 1 minute chart. It is starting to really fall away in the minutes following on from that retail sales data. So sterling under a little bit of pressure. It's now back below 32 figure in the last minute or so, which was a pivot level. So that pivot of 32 figure is still in play. 31.30 is a initial support as well, and beyond that 30.60 was yesterday's low. So 31.30 is the next support beyond 32 figure, which has just been broken. In terms of your resistance, you'd be sort of looking at 32.75, which was today's traded high, and beyond that 33.10, which was sort of the reaction, lower reaction high. So I get my words out, which is a lower high. So you got the lower low, you got the lower low below that 31.30. Lower low being 30.60, the lower high at 33.10. Is this 32.75 going to be another lower high? It's possible now we've had this retail sales data out, disappointing, and does that change that information or that assessment from Kristin Forbes that had sterling rallying yesterday? It may well do, certainly in the eyes of the market, which is sold off in reaction to that data. So it could be that we're starting to see selling pressure coming through sterling again. The key support 30.60. If you break below that on the daily chart, you're then sort of back into that sort of selling zone mode again. So in terms of your momentum indicators, they are still suggesting rallies are a chance to sell. And this has been a bit of a near-term uptick, and it has been sold into. So whether that momentum starts to build again to the downside and sort of challenges that 30.60 level again, it could be seen. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, following on from this retail sales day disappointment from the UK, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.